Why chewing raw vegetables is the key to better breath. Fresh breath is more than just a confidence booster, it reflects the health of your mouth. While mints and mouthwashes mask odors temporarily, the root of bad breath often lies in bacteria and food residue. Surprisingly, the simple act of chewing raw vegetables can make a profound difference. Want to eliminate bad breath and feel confident every time you smile? Click the link below in the description to get more details. Here's why chewing raw vegetables is the key to better breath. 1. Natural cleaning action. Raw vegetables like carrots, celery, and cucumbers are high in fiber. When chewed, they act as natural toothbrushes, scrubbing away plaque and trapped food particles. This mechanical cleansing reduces bacteria that cause bad breath. 2. Stimulates saliva production. Chewing fibrous vegetables increases saliva flow. Saliva naturally washes away bacteria and neutralizes acids in the mouth, helping maintain a fresher breath throughout the day. 3. Antimicrobial benefits. Many raw vegetables contain natural compounds that inhibit bacterial growth. For example, flavonoids and allicin help reduce odor-causing microbes, giving your breath a healthier, longer-lasting freshness. 4. Easy daily habit. Incorporate raw vegetables as snacks or side dishes to create a simple, sustainable routine. Regular chewing not only improves breath but also supports overall oral health. Why chewing raw vegetables is the key to better breath is simple: they cleanse, stimulate saliva, and fight bacteria naturally. By making raw vegetables a part of your daily diet, fresh, pleasant breath becomes an effortless reality. Ready for a cleaner mouth and more confident smile? Want to eliminate bad breath and feel confident every time you smile? Click the link below in the description to get more details. Thanks for watching.